Welcome back to our application section. Our next exercise is calculating the average of three numbers provided by the user. This task is for demonstrating the input reading technique combined with basic arithmetic operators. 1. Reading multiple numerical inputs. We will use a way to handle multiple numerical inputs on a single line, the combination of input, split, and map. We map the input directly to the float type to ensure accuracy, regardless of whether the user enters integers or decimals. 2. Calculating the average. The average is the sum of the numbers divided by the count of the numbers. It is crucial to use parentheses to ensure the addition is completed before the division, respecting the operator precedence rules. 3. Displaying formatted results. Since the division may result in a long float, we will use F-string formatting to display the average rounded to 2 decimal places for better readability. To summarize, this exercise applies reading multi-number input, using parentheses for correct operator precedence, and employing float formatting for clean output. Our next lecture 0803. Area of a circle.